And finally, Kwaku Manu have a reply to TikTokers for na omu edin atemono. After so can be man Dr Osei Kwame Despite no. Omo mu din atem Kwaku Manu have a reply obo. I Penyah broke media. Mess was any dim. Over like video no that what subscribe button, snap back click verification and connect latest updates. Na ba chere wa dwen dia mama e wo comment section so ba so. No je for any bia hwe. Be be ka chere o say Kwaku Manu medias omu din atem. Ani nyina e start free. Dadru ba ye no nsensem no. Os e ba ye no. Na man for so bo na good despite say despite na diga share chire and na won na ye say and on the pese sie lumba say akokọ and na no hwan ke kan sem bebrebe. Obuka kan sem bebrebe enam so ama ye na chi no. Despite na ne hometi went me anina. Obe reply wo mu ebe sign ti. Ema bro video on that. Despite kwa chire mu how a day na eba se lumba ewuo no. Donate 100,000 Ghana to scan 1 billion. I'm almost so money and financial to year. The best piano or best be fee or moon frano. Just say that's part I hear there was a nipa aye. Oh, yeah, Yami persuade you, Emma came for so bush and for no. Sabia, Bia be ye. But a year not you know, not him legal wife, did despite at him. As I day I on only TV station, YouTube so, Anna. You know, MCI boa more quite now so quite disrespected. Madwa could say why because of that. Don't do my book for Babes despite so Emma almost torn no home. And it does by sanity. Now that's by the sanity no. I like our coins paper defense.
Despite bonny power ye pie dear he when I'm no cassa. Now be sure me and one young phobia and maybe for phobia. I would miss about with the Cacassa way fatano and no. Sabi kanya bia ne fiefo bi na eye no a kasa wo ba we ni sempo so so camera si no so mpo because who say na yesen kaye amanfo be hwe wusua wo cause animonyam kura wo no wo ye messes ti nkoma me no di na me kasa kire ba dwemba du de bi na ye nam social media no so na me pie video bi so na me hwe wo bia wote wo animonyamfo bia wote wo ana me hwe nipa bia ono so sete wo wodi di penyi bi atemu a mitimi hwe ni di mis ti yemfa ne say ni papa sabi yemfa ne say ni papa bobla na ni papa nyi obi a open ho asem na won pen ho asem na obo hu say nipa so life won so asa ni pan me bi say wo obeko ana wonko ti nkoma me no di despite boni a we ye nyina so wakoda di number ye o meka Ghana ni o medi obi atem despite in fan sika sisi wo onu nya kanta wo bibi hu mfo ne mfa na ho ode ne sika meje ye said when lawyers when police if when Ghana president kura no sabi ehia o mesisi wo o meka wasem ba ne boni a waye nyina ne se ne boni a despite ye nya so ko de number ye abra woni number aye adwuma bro.
Kwaku Manu came in rescue and in defense of Dr Osei Kwame Despite. Now that defense no and the media say can almost come and omu be trouble Kwaku Manu pay.
Asema me wo kan ye Kwaku wasem no na ni nyina ye bufu. Na de wo kan particular wo sade asante kasa asa kan ye no. Se kan onantia na account. Kan onantia na account. Kwaku kan onantini no ene account ena wo yere wo de ne kwatena America. Kwaku ojawo a okofa abroni no enti wo account nantini na Kwaku Manu de senke ye kan wale samoa ka Kwaku you were the last person to even come out to advise this lady. I'm not saying some am no watena advice me si duawi ete haba mono ete na haba ndada ate enti wo di nka wo nka bi enti na me kase me kase me ja asa me ka cho me nim say ya pa minim say wo da bia wo hu video be Kwaku Manu ntimi ma TikTok no so because asa me ka cho ya pa me say wo ya nanta kodu wo nan ya nanta kodu wo nemu ye ha wo na say one leg wo nan ya nanta kasa wo de ne kwada nanta kodu enya nanta bo ananta kodu ananta nenu mo ha tinka wode wo ho ode nkagina osisi ati ase enti wo de ka otadua nkati se cause enaya Mahu ayare phone ebubu phone no ene sabio manu ntia manu da sumina so mahu ayare phone no mpo moto asen aya mo hwo mo be ma se de tie ni 180 jidum tim tipo tinkran kesopa pese check Kwaku Manu say senka adwene ene nna ne bo batena ke de dan ne wo batena kakojo fosunku ametena Ghana bibi na ma BBC te monti bibi ase so timi kachira o ma 63 years Kwaku Manu ma me kro wonu sa o ma me wonu sa me won on said am onkofo eba me diem Kwaku me on cheme o ma me onni sa 63 years no o ma me wo sakra wontimi nyusu be we ma o ma me o be so sa be na ma me ya wo sika bi a wanya ntina ma me ntimi nka wasem so but me kachira ma me se ka won nantia na aka to a enne sika bi a wanya ntina pesa wo kasa tia o ma me. Now how do you have to sit down now we be used to that west the man takusia who bunch of wawa come on tan sana the ninketin na onni hunama woni nine dede na woye who bunch of wawa and come in na when he did no so na nia hoden who bunch of wawa. We are here fighting, we're not giving up, we're not stopping. We see a true na yeto. We makunya kakraka. Me makunya de makunya so. We tena kunya no so. Bro, me I pay 40 euros just a month for internet. Don't cost a mine. Don't cost a mine. 40,000 years, but don't cost a mine. It was one share. See a tisi usua. Me ante kusuya ntoko American. Let me tell you. Ebi wo me fie. So me come about the experience. To be a case tram catch some tokona ye ko. Obe case na obi say I am depressed. Me I'm not me depression. How I say depressed? When I'm depression, why you obi depressed? Go me man go school oh, bro. Obi depressed and say. Me say I depression. I'm not depressed. Me you okay. Mom pen no krentra. It happened. It didn't my din. They didn't for just a queer tissim. Mrs. Mammy, we are some a mammy story. What the fuck are you talking about? My mom is there sick. All because of our bonnie I went to be Ankasa. How I wish Senka. Me miss catching them Senka me maybe to be General Kwakasa just a day. Are you fucking talking about to say I'm say I say and I'm a man on a day and I tell you you some people are so they don't even talk. It happened. It's similar to my mom's problem. So when I sit down here, let me be a chat test now, bro. We are me medal. We are me boss baby. We are me endo carry no. When you go for more abuse, me abuse me. I mean, my mom passed through the same thing, and she's sick. As I'm speaking now. To me, who my men na who dia wanya. I just want to check up on her every blessed day. I just want to even pick a phone with her and say, Mama, how are you doing? Because maybe I'm facing the same situation. Tomorrow, and now I'm depressed. Fuck off, man. Who is this? Who is this? Just a
Team legal wife. Hey! Hey! Anu Jenny. Omucha Kwaku Manu anu ankasa. There was ya. Kwaku Manu finally. Wa be react to attempt dey we ni anu twa na omu etwa no. Na we ene nsemu a okay.
We dey tiefo ne adofo. Medamasi. Na dey tiama medamasi me ne me team adwene ho se ye de nese kese ebre eye team legal wife fo. No kwasem. Why ade ama na so ye team na ni ye. Efe na enwanwa. Enye ni pe nyina na ye betimi aye no sei. No kwasem nyi obi a ne kama mo fie wo mo. Aye nyumni o mi na si nyumni. Die mani na so na mi sa kaye. Team legal wife. Eradi mo ye mama mo na ye kan se asa agro bi na yedi ye tell de na ase we brem no se na se na me ne ahoho bi ye business na me ana me introduce mo say I'm big star in Ghana near the ade Shanka Yakupon ase enumu a ana me de ma disade beto manim a moye me na maye me jutum se maye me ampa na information am wo no me kwa na menim ti mesrɛ mo mfa 2 days nka me ho mfa eye no 2 days ensan fa nka me ho se be ya me ho information na lucky Shanka Yakupon na brofo no call internet no so ma ya de pa ye mo kasa mo de me picture too much no mo se mo de picture too much ansa na makasa no mesrɛ mo obi a woyem bia onye saade ne bi mame e ma hoho ne be ka chem se hey are you a popular na meka ba no mo se zia ukogogo a o ya meto so first and second ti mesrɛ mo be poma cho business ni menwie me ne ahoho no enwie mo fa 2 days in so me so no mo se me gina mu sa for 2 days mo yen 4 days kwa me pe mesrɛ mo na emum no meka 2 days ni nim se de me be kan mo sa be ye me pay for say afane afam pempa nkyere sa bonte so for me fanko senam de asenia na so ya papa despite na yesu bra yesu kɔ no o se oduru ba bi na wa bre nti wo se obi hu ne mobo abeti asenia ne de yedai eto no kon ti si asenia no mfa ya papa despite de nka me de ho msramo ti me se me se mo de be count de mo se me mo ba ma ye 2 dada ti mo fa 4 nka ho na nye 6 hallelujah na medamase akoso adamase se esa ka mo se yeti amebu baby se e fane afan panchire sa bonte so for me fan kwode se sabi de bia me hu sa asante kasama asante yewura pia onana nipa obu asikafo Ghana nyina wode ani die emma Ghana fo asikafo nyina enkruni ye ne yankasa papa eye Ibrahim Mahama abiam danso ye papa Canada Japan nyina akọ yewura nchen a hu anyonkofa na so meme yewura mfi se na anu ye abrofo bi free Germany baaye yewura to ne safre ye papa ofori sapon ane papa despite ehye yewura ebu despite na o mo hwese Ghana sikafo ne bebenyam mesrew menu ya wo ya santini e pa wachew me ka wasem se afane afam panchira sa bonte so for me fanko patan papa bia no otaa ne makasa wo kokoam enye bibie nyina na ye de ba bonten enye nipa nyina na ye de o kokoto ye jeli won ensembo ye di na ofie ansa na ye de akwa bonten enti de wo so wo de nyame aye wadom osikani na wapie wo sebi umu no se wo de wawa no ankofiri ba bia anya kasa foforo bia o ye wo na wo kasa de bia wo kwa ma asante na me asanteni na me hwanhwan na me de na sei no wa na wo segu wa wo sikani a wo ya asanteni ani mu ase we na mo beye me no aha monye me pa na mo onwum bia me pese meto mo onwum ba ko bia me pese meto masarita pempem masarita pempem 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 hey, de muy bien, mentillo, sege, pam, o sea, obisa go when you serious. Sure, open for no more serious, ube wu, me catch you, but mesremo, me what discount to be the man, team legal wife for. So me dika catch us about this time with 2 perfumes, and I'm a ton perfumes, me 2 perfumes, na me ton perfumes, 055 888 3191 055 888 3191 oba fa team JC bra fa card e chese we team legal wife fa kan mema discount perfume me promise o perfume so a me turn 1000 mema 800 de me turn a friend say 1000 a year 150 no 150 no me 50 every so me be ma 100 I promise so to me show card utimi do team na wo bo no JC ka ho ba More discount mom name me say ka twa to say I love you all from my bottom of my heart. Me domo dodo. Na me promise mo say and I'm say him kran. Say do oba be come obia monya no. Monya no pa. Do oba be come monya no. Obia ka mamuntie. Mutwa na da pa. Na mo mutwa nyina no mo say nya daje so de amam life on so mesra mo. Monye ma home kakra. Na mo sori amotimenya hoden. Me domo kofi. Kwatin. Me do team legal wife for. I love you, I kiss you. What's a minty do be at him? Yan fast anti me. Yet a team intino, minty me, yes, sir. Minty me, mamma, you'll be a boane quasia, where Jimmy, who fin Debbie. But, Messremo, Mamma, social media, so my too hot. Me de cash it on, me de business, Miss Ramo. Monye we say, and then I'm a crooked we are, Tim Liga wife for Tim Liga. She see, I wouldn't say, for brain if he. The buyer bonny house, make a catch it, Tim Liga. I can't Liga wife. Oh, don't come home, papa. Oh, my yummy. To see, I may buy a rover. Hey, I catch it, Tim Liga wife. Go view a rover, Tim Liga. And I didn't snamo. Me don't. Now, almost all baby, I am so convenient, be on more time. You. I imagine on me day, on much. Till riding some baby. Na obi enyam sekuna ko mere said you obre obi enyam sekuna ye hweba ye hweyere ye krokroba ye nti misaya hard work coming ton perfumes fan ko kejeti ane baby erade nshaw erade bompas erade benya be ma te se me se obeya o ma obre nye kwa na obehye o obre ba ma otima o de ko fi kwaten
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. How you Penyah Media.